Let's see what we got here. Oh my God. A lot of power. We are at 250 kilometers an hour already. 260 now. 270. 280. 290. Can we hit 300 before we reach? 300!
Yeah, man!
Yeah.
This is the new S-Class. It opens up new possibilities. It's comfortable, caring, and at all times connected. It takes care of everything, but I stay in control and always set the right mood. Sounds good, right? The new S-Class.
What are we driving?
Hey, True, bet that up for the track. You know, take it to the top, and that's the truth. Truth hurts.
Evil Empire, laughing all the way to the bank.
At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks, you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday.
Nigga wanna see me fall. Stephen Curry, how I ball. Gosha gonna say.
Go, shawty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday.